Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our remaining questions of the exercise 10.2 related to straight lines. The question number 14 is given. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, 2, making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So the equation of a straight line passing through the point 0, 2, x1, y1, making an angle of theta 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. So our gradient, that is slope, m is equals to tan theta, tan 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 can be written as tan 180 minus pi by 3. That becomes tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. And tan 60 degrees root 3, it becomes minus root 3. So the equation of a line passing through a point and whose gradient is given by y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Now we are going to substitute the value of x1, y1 and our value of m. That is y minus 2 equals to m, that is minus root 3, x minus x1 is 0. After simplification we get our equation of a line root 3x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Also we have to find out the equation of a line which is parallel to this line 1, and it crosses the y-axis below the origin. It crosses the y-axis. Means the point is lying on the y-axis, and when the point is lying on the y-axis, its abscissa is 0 and it is crossing the y-axis below the y-axis. When it is crossing below the y-axis means the y ordinate value will be negative at a distance of 2 units. So it passes through a point 0, minus 2. Now the equation of a line parallel to 1. Equation of a line parallel to the line 1 is given by root 3x plus y constant की जगह में plus lambda equals to 0. And now this line is passing through a point 0, minus 2. So it will satisfy the value x and y. So root 3 into 0 plus minus of 2 plus lambda equal to 0. So lambda is equals to 2. This value of lambda we are going to substitute in this equation, and that is our required equation of a line. Root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Once again you can see equation of a line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by ax plus by plus lambda equals to 0. So we have to find out the equation of a line which is parallel to this equation. So according to this formula it becomes root 3x plus y and constant will become plus lambda equal to 0. And it crosses the y-axis below the origin at a distance of 2 units. When it crosses the y-axis means the point is lying on the y-axis. So abscissa value will be 0 in that point. And the ordinate, that is below the origin on the y-axis at a distance of 2 units, so it will become minus 2. Okay, so passing point is our 0, minus 2. After satisfying the point in this equation we get the value of lambda equals to 2, and the required equation of line therefore it becomes root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Now let's come to the question number 15. The perpendicular from the origin to a line AB meets at a point Q minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line AB. So first we have to calculate the slope of this line PQ by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this value I can take it as x1, y1, and this value can be taken as x2, y2 here. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0 minus 9 by 2. Since PQ is perpendicular to AB here, PQ is perpendicular to AB, so the slope of this line AB will be the negative sign and the reciprocal of it. So minus of 1 upon n1. So minus 1 upon minus 9 by 2. So the slope of the line AB will become 2 by 9. So therefore the equation of a line AB whose passing point. Now here x1 y1. अब यहाँ पे हम x1 y1 minus 2 9 because the line AB, we are calculating the equation of a line, we are finding the equation of a line AB और AB से कौन सा पॉइंट पास हो रहा है -2 और 9. So y minus y1 equals to gradient is 2 by 9 m into x minus x1. After substituting the value of x1 y1 and the gradient m 2 by 9, we get the required equation of a line, that is 2x minus 9y plus 85 equals to 0. Let's come to the next question, that is question number 18. 16th and 17th question you just omitted. Question number 18. Point P, that is coordinates AB, is the midpoint of a line segment AB between the axes. Show that the equation of the line AB will be x upon A plus y upon B equals to 2. In this question here it is given that the P point whose coordinates are A and B is the midpoint of the line AB, which is between the x-axis and y-axis. So the point, let the point on the x-axis, that is A, its coordinates will be x0, because the point which lies on the x-axis, its coordinate will be 0, y value will be 0. So I have taken h0, and the point which lies on the y-axis, that is B, its abscissa, that is x coordinate will be 0. So 0 and k. Now, since P is the midpoint of the line segment AB and the points A, H0, B, 0, k, by the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 equals to y. So x1 plus x2. This I am now taking it as x1, y1. This point you can take it as x1, y1, and this point you can take it as x2, y2. And this point as xy. Now I am going to substitute their values. x1 is h, x2 is 0, h plus 0 upon 2 equals to x value is a. So we get the value of h is equals to 2a. And similarly y1 plus y2 by 2 equals to y. So y1 is 0, y2 is k, and y is our b. So k is equals to 2b. So our coordinates, that is the point A and point B will be h का वैल्यू क्या है 2a, तो ये हो जाएगा 2a 0, और b का वैल्यू क्या था हमारे पास, k का वैल्यू 2b, तो ये हो जाएगा 0 और k 2b. Now we have to find out the equation of the line AB. So equation of a line which is passing through the 2 points is given by the formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is our 0, y2 minus y1 2b minus 0, x2 minus x1 0 minus 2a, x minus x1 x minus 2a. And after the complete simplification and after getting the simplest form, this all the terms I am dividing throughout with AB. So at last we get our answer, required equation of a line x upon a plus y upon b equals to 2. Okay, this problem is based on the class 9 concept. Listen again carefully. The point which is lying on the x-axis, its coordinate will be 0, and the point which is lying on the y-axis, its abscissa value will be 0. Question number 19. Point R, HK divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line AB. In the previous question number 18, the point was the midpoint, but here the point R divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. AR is to RB, that is 1:2. M1 value is 1 and 2 value is 2. And similarly, the point which is lying on the x-axis, its coordinate will be 0. So the point coordinate of A will be A0, and the point which lying on the y-axis, its abscissa value will be 0. So the coordinate of B will be 0, B, 0, B. So we know the value of x1, y1, we know the value of x2, y2, as well as m1 and m2 and x and y. So this point R divides the line AB, which is joining the points A0 and B0B internally in the ratio m1:m2 equals to 1:2. So as we studied in class 10th also, the section formula, internal case. So by section formula we know that x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y coordinate will be equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we are going to substitute the values of x, m1, x2, x1, everything. So now value of x is our h, m1 is 1, h2 is 0, plus m2 is our 2 and x1 is our a. So h is equals to 1 into 0 plus 2 into a upon 1 plus 2. We get 3h is equals to 2a. So we get the value of a equals to 3h by 2. Now for the y coordinate, the formula y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So y is here k, m1 is here 1 and y2 is here b, plus m2, that's the value is 2, and y1 is here 0. So on substituting these values, we get the value of b equals to 3k. As we know that after getting the value of a and b and the equation of a line in intercept form, this is the intercept cut by the line on the x-axis, and this is the intercept cut by the line AB on the y-axis, that is B. So the equation of a line in intercept form is given by x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. And we have already calculated the value of a and b. We are going to substitute it here. X upon 3h by 2 plus y upon 3k equals to 1. So after the complete simplification, the required equation of a line we are getting 2x upon 3h plus y upon 3k equals to 1. Now let's move to the question number 20, that is the last question of this exercise 10.2. By using the concept of the equation of a line, prove that the 3 points 3, 0, -2, -2 and 8, 2 are collinear. So 2 or more than 2 points are said to be collinear if they all lie on a same line. So last class we are using the concept that area of triangle is equals to 0. If the area of triangle is coming equal to 0, the given points are collinear. But here we have to use the concept of the equation of a line. It means that first we have to form the equation of a line with the help of any of the 2 points from out of the given 3 points. चाहे हम A और B को ले ले, चाहे B और C को ले ले, चाहे A और C को ले ले. तो मैं यहाँ पे इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन ए बी बना रहा हूँ फर्स्ट 2 पॉइंट्स लेकर. सो द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन जॉइनिंग द 2 पॉइंट्स और पासिंग थ्रू द 2 पॉइंट्स x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now our value for x1 y1, as I am taking the A and B coordinate, so this will be x1 y1 and x2 y2. So let's see now, y minus y1, that is 0, equals to y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0 upon x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 x minus x1, that is 3, x minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 5, adding, so cross multiply, minus 5y equals to minus 2 into x minus 3. Minus 5y equals to minus 2x minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. Now just transpose it, 2x minus 5y equal to 6. So with the help of the 2 points A and B, we obtain the equation of a line AB. If this equation of a line is satisfying our third point, if the third point C82 is lying on this line, then it will satisfy. So let us check it. For the point third C82, value of x is 8, value of y is 2. So LHS 2x minus 5y, 2 into 8, 16, minus 5 into 2, 10, 16 minus 10 into 6, so we got RHS. So after obtaining the equation of a line, after getting the equation of any line by taking any of the 2 points out of the given 3 points, and the left out third point, if it is satisfying that equation of a line, then the given all the 3 points are collinear points. That is the concept. With the help of the concept of a line, we have to show that the given 3 points are collinear. All the formulas, all whatever the questions I am teaching you, all these questions, please note down in your fair notebook, and after solving in your fair maths copy, please practice the problems at home in your various rough copies. Go through it, read the question carefully, apply the correct formula and try to get the correct answer. Okay? I know that you will do it. Okay? So, this finishes our exercise 10.2. In my next video, we will going to start our next exercise 10.3. Thank you.